And the battle for Bengal 2021 Assembly election is our top focus. The battle surely heats up. Home Minister Amit Shah, currently in Bengal's Bankura, had lunch with tribal family. Shah also interacted with the tribals. Earlier, he condemned attacks on the BJP workers and said that he is confident of Saffron Party's victory in the next elections. He's further added that there is massive resentment against Mamata government. Meanwhile, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee accused the BJP of purposely violating COVID norms. She further added that the party was disrupting government officers' work in the state. Chief Minister's nephew accused Shah of having a meal with tribal family for appeasement. Earlier, Mamata granted land rights to 25,000 refugee families living in the state and also allotted 10 crore rupees grant for Matua Development Board. Both the TMC and BJP are eyeing to woo the tribal voters as they form a crucial vote bank in the bordering districts with Bangladesh.
भारत सरकार की 80 से ज्यादा योजनाएं जो गरीब, दलित, आदिवासी और पिछड़े लोगों के लिए है, उसको ममता सरकार रोक कर बैठी है। मैं ममता दीदी को बताना चाहता हूं कि आपके मन में भय है कि इन योजनाओं को रोकने से आप भारतीय जनता पार्टी को रोक लोगी, तो आपकी भ्रांति है। जिस प्रकार का दमन का चक्र विशेषकर भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं के ऊपर ममता सरकार ने चलाया है, मैं निश्चित रूप से देख रहा हूं कि ममता सरकार का मृत्युगंड बच चुका है। आने वाले दिनों में यहां भारतीय जनता पार्टी की 2/3 बहुमत की सरकार बनने जा रही है।
The BJP has done nothing for Bengal, for the farmers, for the Dalits, for the downtrodden. So we don't need to learn from BJP what they are doing. What they are doing to the downtrodden for Dalits in Uttar Pradesh and the other states ruled by them are really pity. Compared to that, West Bengal is in a very healthy state. Central scheme, there is no central scheme. Whatever. Why there is no scheme for the laborers that came from the other state? Why Mamata Banerjee is carrying the burden? What they have given for Amphan? What they have given for the lockdown? What they are given for the corona treatment? Nothing. Here more and more Amit Shah and they come. They will have a division in the mind of the people.
Indrajit Kundu is now joining us live for all the very latest amidst the Bengal showdown that we are seeing, the war of words between Amit Shah and Mamata Banerjee. Shaw peaking right there. Indrajit, what's interesting to note is that both of them are eyeing a certain sect of voters, trying to woo the tribal community right there. What is the latest that you're picking up in terms of the sentiment on ground vis-a-vis TMC and the BJP at the moment?
Well, Amit Shah's, trip assumes significance, particularly because even though his party is facing a big election in neighboring Bihar, he decides to camp here in West Bengal for 2 days. That shows the kind of importance that the BJP attaches with the Bengal elections, which is about 6 months away. So the bugle has clearly been sounded, and it's going to be a high-stakes battle here in West Bengal. And the BJP is trying to get its house in order. There are certain core constituencies which both the parties are eyeing, and that is the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribe vote bank. The BJP feels that after the kind of results that have seen in 2019 elections, especially in North Bengal and in the tribal belt, they think that they can make more inroads, and therefore they're pitching and they're trying to reach out to the tribal vote bank in Purulia and Bankura, all these areas. The Matua vote bank, which is a scheduled caste community, they also form a very important vote bank in the bordering districts of Bangladesh, and the BJP is also making an effort. So therefore, today Amit Shah is at a tribal household in Bankura. Tomorrow he will be at a Matua household in North 24 Pargana district, and this comes just 24 hours after Mamata Banerjee yesterday announced a series of SOPs for SCs and STs in the state.
We're getting some breaking news coming in. We'll have to cut straight across to it. Breaking news just coming in. Mamata and her nephew slam Amit Shah. Mamata accuses Shah of violating COVID laws. That's the latest coming in at the moment. Mamata's nephew mocks Shah's lunch with tribal family in Bengal's Bankura. Mamata's nephew accuses Shah of fake appeasement. And he goes on to say this. Mamata's nephew goes on to say, why not speak on Dalit atrocities? So that's the latest coming in at the moment. Listen to what Mamata Banerjee has to say on this.
আমরা এখন বাইরের লোক যখন যাতায়াত করে তখন সংখ্যাটা একটু বাড়ে। এখন যেহেতু একসাথে এত মিছিল মিটিং হঠাৎ মিছিল মিটিং করার প্রবণতা এত বেড়ে গেছে, ইলেকশন তো অনেক দেরি, ফলে এতে পজিটিভ রেটটা বাড়ে। দিল্লিতে আপনারা দেখেছেন এমনিতেই বাড়ছে, মিছিল মিটিং হচ্ছে না তাতেও।
Indrajit Kundu is now joining us live for the latest. Indrajit, as predicted and expected, Mamata Banerjee and the nephew hit out at Amit Shah as Amit Shah is in Bengal. He had lunch with the tribal family in Bengal's Bankura as well. What more are we picking up on this front?
Well, absolutely. You know, the Trinamool Congress has unleashed a multi-pronged attack on Amit Shah. Several ministers, I spoke to Firhad Hakim, senior minister, this morning. He has tweeted. There are other ministers, and now Abhishek Banerjee coming out and tweeting, calling Amit Shah's meal at a tribal household here in Bengal nothing but a carefully crafted photo op. And the Trinamool Congress is trying to hit out at the BJP, saying that the BJP does not really have much to show as far as Dalit and Adivasi and tribal rights and their development is concerned. They are hitting out at the BJP over its record about Dalit atrocities, specifically mentioning the Hathras incident, and they're saying how Dalits are facing daily atrocities in UP, in other states that are ruled by the BJP. So how is it that Amit Shah, being the Home Minister, comes here in West Bengal and preaches about development of Dalits to Mamata Banerjee? They're saying that Mamata Banerjee is the one who's always spoken about the poor and the downtrodden, and therefore a series of measures have been taken for the SC/ST community here in West Bengal. And the BJP is nothing but trying to create a photo opportunity, something that they say is not going to, break much ice as far as the Dalit and Adivasi vote bank is concerned. Back to you.
Thanks, Indrajit, for getting us those latest details right there. Shifting focus now here to the national capital.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.